Cancino. Carla?
Yes, Nico, Coach Olsen. I am with CJ Cancino, the team captain of this dominant UP team. Now, CJ, like you said, Tito Nico, this was a very dominant win. What does that say about your team? What are you most proud of about your team today?
Syempre, una, pinaproud ako, nagtulungan kami. So, lahat, kung sino yung mapagod, sasabagat. And pinaghandaan talaga namin kasi hindi biro yung Lasal eh. And masaya kami na malaking lamang namin. Pero sa game 2, hindi namin alam kung ano yung mangyayari. So, kailangan namin mag-prepare.
And of course, yes, like you said, May game 2, it could potentially be your final game in the UAAP. What are you looking forward to? And of course, what do you want to show on that day, on Sunday?
Syempre, hopefully, last game ko na yon talaga. Syempre, para makuha namin yung finals. And syempre, bibigay ko na yung best ko kung ano man yung ibigay na depensa sa akin. Pwede akong spacer, pwede na akong asahan sa score and defense. So, magdedepende kung ano man yung ibibigay na depensa ng Lasal. And hopefully, malaki yung maitutulong ko sa team.
And of course, the UP community really showed up today. Do you have a message for the fans and for the community as well?
Syempre, una nagpapasalamat ako sa UP community, iba kayong mag-cheer, and hopefully makita namin kayo sa Game 2 kasi iba yung nabibigyan yung adrenaline sa amin, and sana makuha natin yung championship sa Game 2.
Ayun, again, CJ, congratulations. Hopefully, I'll see you on Sunday and hopefully then last game na rin yun. For all our viewers, don't go away just yet.
With Signal loaded with